JBN will keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, cop dies after crashing into car in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. A policeman is dead after his motorcycle reportedly collided with a cow along the Mango Hall Main Road in Westmoreland on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Constable Tajay Ebanks of the Traffic Department, Westmoreland Division. According to reports, about 8:15 p.m., Ebanks was driving his motorcycle along the Mango Hall Main Road going towards Little London when it is alleged that a car walked into his path, resulting in a collision. He was flung from the motorcycle and sustained multiple injuries. The seriously injured Ebanks was rushed to the Savlamore Public General Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The CCU says the forces, chaplaincy branch and welfare department are providing support to the family members, friends and colleagues of Constable Ebanks. JBN will keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.